mountains to the sea, golden fields and skies so free, lotus flowers in the breeze.